how to enable the developer options and how to find it after it has been enabled. Okay, this is the OnePlus 12R and the same for the OnePlus 12. When you're ready to do this, use the quick panel access here and tap on the settings right there. Once in the main settings of your OnePlus 12R phone, I want you to go down to the part that says the About device right here. Now that you're in this section here, go down some more until you see the part that says the version right there, okay? And then you'll be taken to this section here, and you're gonna tap on where it says version number, or what is also known as build number. So go ahead and tap on it at least 7 times. It's gonna tell you how many more steps away from the developers mode. Okay, and it's going to show you down there. Notice that there, and one more, and it's going to say you're like this here. If you have your lock screen set up, you may be prompted to put in that password, and then you'll continue to the next step. Okay, now when you come out of here now, you can check down here. Some cases it may appear down there, or go down to the very bottom and see if that's there. If it's not there, you want to go up here to the top where the search bar is and type in the words developer options. You're going to see it as a suggestion here. When you tap on that one time, it's going to take you to the developer options section. Of course, make sure that's turned on so you can get access to all the settings if you've been looking for any of these here and you know what you're doing. And please just do something that you know what you're actually doing, okay? Don't go in and start making all kind of changes and you have no idea what's what, okay? But that's that. Like and sub.